Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure Visual Studio has the desktop C++ workload and MSVC compiler. This gives you the C toolchain. Once installed, open Visual Studio and choose New Project, then Console App. Make sure you change the file extension to C when adding your source file so the compiler treats it as C, not C++. This avoids linkage and syntax differences. You save the file, set the project as active, and prepare to configure build options before your first compile. You now write your C code, for example, a main function with print from stdio. H so you can see output. Once done, build the project via build solution or Ctrl+Shift+B. This invokes MSVC to compile and link. If errors appear, inspect the error list panel, double-click an error to go to the offending line. Make sure include paths and project settings match C conventions, because Visual Studio can default to C++ rules. Adjust language standard to C11 if you need specific C features. You run the program using local Windows debugger for interactive debugging or Control, plus F5 to run without the debugger, and keep the console open. Set breakpoints at key lines, then use step into and step over to trace execution and inspect variables in the locals and watch windows. If the program crashes or behaves oddly, clean and rebuild the solution, verify the project uses the C runtime, and confirm compiler options are for C, not C++. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.